rapids get gnarly because they change as you're running them.
Whew.
So they don't
Lightning over
stay
there.
the same. Oh, this is the weird thing about the canyons is that down off the San Juan, the rock back front there and the brook cuts, all right there. These storms come in, they make these weird circles. So throughout the day, like all day long, it's been pushing us this way, and all of a sudden it's a whole shift. They make circles, right?
Okay.
Because those are kind of easy for, even if it does flood, they kind of roll in hills and stuff.
I think I got that one.
Most of the parks. Oh, you got that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good view. So, just echoes through that. It's so cool. Please get it on video. That would be hilarious to me.
Look what these idiots did.
Yeah, that wall of water weirdness. That thing may hit us right as we get under the pavilions. Woo! It's a lot of water.